So you have to play the knight on c3 somewhere. Well, why don't we just do knight b5 for a starter? And you deal with that. I mean, we could do knight b5 and let Alireza deal with this. Alireza, after knight b5, he needs to deal with rook pressurizing the bishop and c7 with the bishop combined. Deal with that. One. Secondly, or maybe firstly, knight b4 attacked by a3. So do what you can. Is there something wrong with knight b5? I think that's good. You definitely attack stuff here. This is no joking. It's a serious attacking move. I absolutely love it. Knight b5 is just great. I would try to give it an evaluation myself, and then I'm going to check with the Stockfish. So let me just think for a second. I'd say we've got a plus. I'd say we've got a +0, especially after this move now, d4, which again, I don't think it's a... Yeah, yes, Simpson, totally knight b5. I agree wholeheartedly, knight b5, I guess. So I would say we've got a +0, +070, +070, +090, obviously for white, right now. And let's see if we are correct. Yeah, we're not very far, Simpson. We're not very far. I said +070, +090. Yeah, it's +0.52. Yeah, white is killing it here. It is very likely Simpson. Then Hikaru, I was about to say Nikaro, apologies. Hikaru Hakamura. So I was about to say that actually if Hikaru pulls victory here, well, I don't know what Nepomniachtchi is going to do with Prague. But if Hikaru wins here, he vies for the first place. I think he feels very emboldened. He'd go crazy to lose this game with white. You can't, I mean, you actually feel it physically. You breathe, you know that's actually very good for white. And not just you feel it, you kind of know it. You see, it feels incredibly attacking, very promising for white. Yeah, there is a little troublemaker here, but after knight b5, I think you're just doing awesome. If I am correct, of course. I guess that's it. Knight b5, Simpson, and I'm going to continue a bit more, and I guess Alireza will push d3. That's exactly what the young man is going to do. Knight b5 followed by this. That's what he's going to do. I'm telling you. So you need to have a plan for this. But let's imagine we do not panic. Can we play a very highly unorthodox bishop d1 afterwards? After all, Simpson, we still do have a lot of threat. Namely the bishop, namely the knight, and the c7. Knight b5 on the board, Simpson. High five. High five. Knight b5. That's exactly what it is. We did call it. That's exactly what's on the board now. And my 2 cents would be, what if Alireza actually is going to push d3? And I took it one step forward, then I said, after this stuff, perhaps bishop d1 is required.